Would you survive? Episode 4. The Isolated Cabin. You've been running for miles. Your body aches. Every step feels heavier than the last. The forest is endless, cold, unforgiving. You're exhausted, hungry, low on supplies. The only thing keeping you going is knowing that staying in the woods isn't an option. Then you see it, a cabin. It's deep in the trees, almost hidden. Smoke rises from the chimney. Someone is inside. Your mind races. Who? Another survivor? A threat? Or something worse? An empty shelter, already claimed by someone who never made it out? You move closer, slow, silent, watching for movement. Then you notice something's wrong. The front door, wide open. Your breath catches. Was it left open or forced open? Inside it's a mess. Clothes, furniture, supplies, scattered everywhere. No signs of struggle, no blood, but no sign of life either. You scan the area. Is someone watching? Waiting? You press against the wall, listening. The wind howls through the trees, branches creak. Then a noise, a floorboard shifts inside. You freeze. You're not alone. Do you go inside? Do you risk it? Or do you turn back? Leave behind the only shelter for miles, because if you go in, you better be ready to fight for it. Would you survive? Subscribe for more survival scenarios like this, because one day this might not be a story. It might be your reality.